Hello everyone. Say if you are running up your own telecom infrastructure and you are well versed with Asterix and how telecom works, then this webinar is for you. If not, then this webinar is not for you. So what exactly you will get in this webinar? You will get the free software, open source software which you can use for various uses. So we are the first one in the world giving you the VoiceBridge as open source system. What exactly is VoiceBridge? VoiceBridge is that API, that WebSocket that connects your external bot, a bot which you have created using Label Labs and it or howsoever you wanted to PSTN. So PSTN network being connected to AI, there is a piece of software in between which gets the audio into chunks and then delivered that chunks into an RTP packets, and then those RTP packets are being transferred to your SIP line, and then the SIP line gets them back to your PSTN network. This is exactly a voice bridge. Not only this, what other things we give is like we give you the CRM, which is capable of doing the outbound calls. So you can do an outbound call for IVR. You can have a mix of IVR plus AI. You can have just AI. You can have a mix of say predictive dialing plus AI, means actual humans plus AI plus IVR. So it depends on what scenario you want. And why do we have these mixes? Like to save cost, because AI calling charges you on per minute basis, and when you are going to a client and saying that you would be charging them on minute, that becomes very difficult. So in between, what you can do is you can bring up with things which can help you and your client save money. And obviously, as the system is not charging you anything, we are here to teach you. So who is this webinar for? This webinar is for people who already have their infrastructure, who are running things on Visidile or some other open source system, and who want to extend their capability. So you can remove Visidile completely and go with MyLine Hub. So this will give you tons of other features which Visidile do not have. We have lot of features which are not even there in commercial systems. You can go to YouTube and check out our website. On website we have a initial video which tells you the API documentation which takes you with everything. Hello everyone, my name is Anand Goyal and I am the founder of MyLine Hub. I have been working on this system from last 6 years. We do not only operate on open source system, we also create open source system. Next, what all things you will get in this webinar? Being part of this webinar, first thing is you will get access to the latest repository, latest code. So every 6 months or 1 year, we will be releasing up the code and you will be the first one getting up the latest code. Second is you will be getting up the community access. Say for example, you can connect with people and build up your own infrastructure with combined money. So we know, as you all will be coming to us, we would know like these are the 5 people or 6 people who are looking out for community access with mixed support. So we can connect them easily and make sure like we have an infrastructure ready for those 5 people, and the 5 people can pay it together, which reduces your cost to like 5 times 6 times, right? Third thing is if you are yourself a brilliant coder, so we do look out for expertise. We started up this voice bridge project, particularly this voice bridge project for 6 hats. 6 hats were working for Morris Garage, yes, MG. So we started up this for MG Morris Garage and we created this up for them, and then finally we made it open source. So if we like you, we found you, your energy is being capable with ours, what we will do is we will take up you with us and we can work together.